is Kisii County. Therefore, as we look forward to 2026, and especially being a campaign period, there are some challenges that are going to be part and parcel of it. I want to encourage you to face those challenges head on. I want to encourage you to do your part. I want to encourage you that as long as we are on this together, we will succeed. You have my 100% support. The issues that are giving us a challenge in Kisii community, and I'm happy the leaders are here, including the academia. The issues of criminal gangs, the issues of Chang'an. I'm told in every 5 meters, 10 meters in part of this area, you will find a small pint of Chang'an, bangi, and substances, drugs. Let us fight it head on. Let us fight as police officers. Let us fight it as a community. Let us fight as parents. Let's fight as a church. Let's put all the arsenals that we need to fight those two issues, the criminal gangs and the drugs and abuse of alcohol. Just the way your regional commander said, that if we are not going to put it, and indeed during the New Year's celebration, His Excellency the President pronounced himself very clearly on how we need to fight illicit brews and drugs. So this year, these issues are bringing down the family fabric, the society fabric. We are saying that if we are not going to down this thing and to fight it squarely head on, we will not have a society in the future. The future will be bleak because criminals will have their day. But of course, if we nip it at the bud, we will be able to enjoy our future. So ladies and gentlemen, colleagues, let us fight the issues of drugs, abuse of alcohol, head on. We are parents also. Let's take it to our sitting rooms. Let's take it to our bedrooms and make sure that we talk to our children. We talk to our youth because they are the critical mass of our future. Finally, is to ask all of you to be your brothers and sisters keeper. It's important that as we start the 2026, be mindful of your colleague, accommodate each other, embrace one another, and let's move together as a family. There are a lot of kings if we move together as one. The kind of teamwork that you have demonstrated here today, the kind of unity that you have demonstrated here today speaks volume of your intentions. It's something that we can borrow, actualize it, and move forward.
Kisii County is the leading county in Kenya in crackdown of illicit brew and hard drugs. It is true what the county commander has just said. This is not possible. It's because of your collaboration from you members of the public, by sharing with my officers the information and the intelligence led that gives easy job to the police officers to go and nab those illicit brew. Illicit brew is a menace in our country, and if we don't stand hard on it, we may not have a tomorrow's generation. We may have zombies. We may not have sober graduates from our universities. We may have zombie graduates from the university. So it is your duty and our duty as police officers to make sure that we have a safer and alcohol-free and drug-free environment for our country and for our county to flourish and to see tomorrow. For you, to the members of the public, remember, safety starts with you. Police officers cannot be everywhere. You have to have your own safety measures from that personal level, the individual level. How do you do it? A crime happens when there are when they are or when they are not, the three elements. Number one is the target. Number two is the opportunity. Then number three is the guardianship. If the target is there, the bad element within us will strive to reach to that target.
Statistics about we're having, we're able to net about 800,000 liters of kangara. Je, mnafahamu 800,000 liters? 800 liters of kangara ndio tumetoa kwa community. About 200,000 liters of changa ndio tumetoa from the community. Several kilos of bangi, but we're able to neutralize that through the support of the community. And we want to give you our assurance. We want to give you our commitment, the Kisii County residents, that we are going to work together to kuondoa madawa katikati yetu, because it still remains a great challenge. And even in our CUC meeting, one day I did mention that all the cases being handled in all our courts here in this county emanates, the main causes of those cases are the issues of illicit cruise, whether it is murder, whether it is assault, any kind of conflict with the law, it emanates from the illicit cruise. And once we confront that, we'll be able to have a secure county.
Let us desist from being used as the young generation, wale ambao tuko hapa. Huyo mwenye anakutumia yeye anatafuta kazi. Na kipati hiyo kazi hutamuona, ama tunaonanga ukipata kazi. They just disappear in the thin air. So let us refrain. Let us not be cheap labor. Don't avail yourself as a